Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Philips Fidelio T2 earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting or not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to get these set up on a new device and you just want to wipe or delete all of the pairing history so that you can get a fresh start like they're just coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. So all we need to do is the first thing you're going to want to do is just go on whatever device you've had them paired with and make sure they're not paired and remove these earbuds from the list of paired devices and then go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off so it's not trying to pair while we're doing this. And then just go ahead and put your earbuds in the case with the lid open, and then the button that once they're in the case, this button that's in between the two earbuds here, we're just going to double tap it. We're just going to go press, press. And once we do that, that will reset everything. And then you can just go ahead from there and set these earbuds up and repair them, go through the normal pairing process as though you were pairing a new set of earbuds.